Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward tutorial on how to send USDC from your Gemini exchange to your Arculus wallet in 2025. Whether you're a beginner just getting into digital assets or an experienced trader looking to switch things up, this guide will make the process simple and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Gemini account set up and your Arculus wallet ready to go. If you haven't already, download the Arculus app and create a wallet. It's quick and secure. Now, open your Gemini app or website and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts or Wallet section to view your USDC balance. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option, usually found in the top menu or under your asset details. Click on that, and you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies. Select USDC from the drop-down menu. Double-check that it's the right one to avoid any mix-ups. Now, here's the crucial part. You'll need to enter your Arculus wallet address. To find this, open your Arculus app, go to the Wallet section, and copy the address for USDC. Paste it carefully into the Gemini withdrawal form. Remember, crypto addresses are case-sensitive, so accuracy is key to prevent losing your funds. After entering the address, you'll be prompted to specify the amount of USDC you want to send. Enter the figure, but always leave a little extra for network fees if applicable. Review all the details one more time, amount, address, and any fees, then hit Confirm or Send. Gemini might require two-factor authentication here, so have that ready. Once submitted, you'll get a confirmation notification. Now, switch over to your Arculus app and keep an eye on your wallet. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it shows up, congrats, you've successfully transferred your USDC. This method is not only secure but also keeps your assets decentralized. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Always verify wallet addresses and use hardware wallets like Arculus for better security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.